Hi everyone, I hope you're okay, and I really hope that guys the videos will keep uploading and helping you out. We are doing question number 6. Please note that guys there are already 5 videos being uploaded, which means I've answered the first 5 questions. And the last video will be uploaded after this one. Just stay tuned guys and wait for more videos. Okay. We are told that Ukuku buys a double bed which costs 12,000 on a hire purchase. She is charged a simple interest of 12% per annum over 6 years. Okay, calculate the total amount she will pay for the double bed. Gugu buys a double bed which costs 12,000 on a hire purchase. She is charged an interest of 12% per annum. Okay. They just want us to calculate the accumulated amount. Ne? We are told that we have a simple interest, so it simply means that A is equal to P1 plus IN are together. We want to find the value of A. The principal amount, the double bed is cost 12,000 rands. I have 12%, that's 0.12 over 6 years multiplied by 6. So I'll simply have 12,000 1 plus 0.12 times 6. So the total money that Ukuku will pay is just 20,640 rands. Okay, how much interest will she pay over this period? Interest that she paid will just take the accumulated amount minus the value of P. 20,640 minus 12,000. The total interest that she will pay is 8,640. Here I got A to be 20,000. Okay, now I'm supposed to calculate her monthly installment. Let me call the monthly installment to X. How can I find X? I'll simply say 20,640 all over 12. Remember that's in 1 year we have 12 months, right? However, this will happen for 6 years. That's why I'm saying 12 times 6 at the denominator. So I'll simply have 20,640 divided by 12 times 6. So every month Ukuku is supposed to pay 286 rand 67 cents. That's the total amount of money that Ukuku needs to pay every month. Okay. The population of a city in KwaZulu-Natal is 2,500,000 in the year 2020. Assuming that the population will continue increasing at a constant rate of 5.2% each year, estimate the population of the city at the beginning of 2024. Give your answer correct to the nearest whole number. I know that guys we are dealing with the number of people, right? But we can treat it as you are dealing with money, such that the value of P is just 2,500,000. The value of I is just 5. It's 5%, 5.25, ne? Which is 0.0525, and then N. The population 2020, that's 4 years. From 2020 to 2024, that's 4 years, right? I just want to find how much will the population accumulate, or how much will the population have grown after 4 years. So A is equal to P 1 plus I times N. And I'm using this simple interest. Why? Because I was told that there's a constant rate. Together there's a constant growth rate. So I have 2,500,000 1 plus 0.0525 multiplied by 4. So this will give me 2,500,000 1 times 0.0525 times 4. So this will give me did I punch the numbers correct? 2,500,000 let me check, guys. Hey. Math is messy. Hey, math is matching me. What's going on now? Why am I punching things wrong? Let me punch again. 2,512,123 multiplied by 1 plus 0.0525 times 4. Ooh. So this will give me 3,025,000. So the number of people that will be there in the beginning of 2024 is 3,025,000 people. Okay, if the current exchange rate is 19 rand per dollar and 23 rands per, what's that? Is it a pound or euro? Oh, it's a pound. Determine the exchange rate between the dollar and the pound. How can we do that? Okay, I know that $1 is equal to 19 rand 8 cents, and 1 pound is equal to 23 rands 31 cents. Are you together? So I want to know how can I relate the two? How can I relate the dollar and the pound? I'll simply say that since I know that $1 will give me this amount of rands, ne? $1 is simply 19 rand 8 cents. I want to know how many dollars is 23 rands 31 cents. I'll just cross multiply here. I'll have 19.08 x is equal to 23.31. Then x is just 23.31 over 19.08. What do I get? 23.31 divided by 19.08. So x is simply 1.22. Guys, please do not complicate things like I just did. Ne? You could have just said the exchange rate, the rate. You will take the pound conversion of the pound exchange rates of with the rand and the dollar exchange rates with the rand, divide them together. So this thing simply means that $1 will be equal to 1.22 pounds. $1 is just equal to 1.22 pounds. Né? Okay. Brent crude oil is Brent crude oil cost 93.78 a barrel. Calculate the cost in rands of importing a barrel when the exchange rate is 19.8. I know that's $1. $1 is equal to 19 rand. 19 rand 8 cents. Ne? I want to know how many rands will $93.73 will $93.78 be? 93 rand 78 cents. Okay, so I'll just say X, which represents the number, the amount in rands, is just 19.08 multiplied by 93.78. What do I get? 19.08 multiplied by 93.78. X, which represents the number in rands, is 1,789, and then we have 32 cents. So this amount of dollars is equal to this amount of rands. That's how we could have dealt with question 6.4. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe. Ne? The last video is on its way.